Hey CryptoBrains fam, today we're diving into DeSpeed, the world's first decentralized internet speed verification network. And here's the best part. We're early, like early farmers on Grass and NodePay early. You know what that means. Massive rewards for those who get in first. So let's break it all down after the intro. So what is DeSpeed? DeSpeed is the world's first decentralized network for internet speed verification, powered by real-time blockchain validation. Here's how it works. Your device measures its internet speed, records the proof on the blockchain, and contributes to a global map of concurrent internet speeds. This decentralized approach ensures a trustless environment by employing proof-of-speed-based validation, which not only verifies the accuracy of the data, but also rewards genuine users for their contributions. In short, DeSpeed is turning the internet into a space of shared benefits, where users earn rewards for providing real-time speed data, and the world gains a transparent global view of internet connectivity. Now, it's time to participate. First, head to their website. You'll find the link in the description. To register, fill in all the required information, your email, choose a username, create a password, and don't forget to enter this referral code. It's mine, and it helps both of us out. Once you're done, click on Register. As for me, I already have an account, so I'll simply log in and get started. Once you're in, the first thing we'll do is install their Validator extension. Just click on Install, then add it to Chrome. After the extension is successfully added, the next step is to log in using your DeSpeed account. Simply click on Log in the extension. And just like that, our extension will start mining points. Now, the next step is to complete the social tasks. These tasks are a great way to boost your earnings. Simply click on quests, scroll to the bottom of the page, and complete all the tasks. They're super easy. Just connect your Discord and Telegram accounts. Also, don't forget to log in daily. There is rewards for daily streaks, so stay consistent and earn more points over time. And last thing, unlock multipliers for your points by joining the DeSpeed Elite community. The higher your role, the bigger your multiplier. For example, if you create a Twitter thread about DeSpeed and it gets over 1,000 impressions, you'll earn a 1.3x multiplier on your points. It's a great way to boost your rewards while supporting the project. And that's it. You're all set to start earning with DeSpeed. From installing the validator to completing social tasks and unlocking multipliers, this project is a golden opportunity for early adopters. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest crypto opportunities. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay curious and keep earning.